Hey there! If you're ready to spice up your meal times and maybe give the microwave a break, you're in the right place. Click that link in the description below for a special offer from Silver Cuisine, and let's tuck in. So what's Silver Cuisine? Imagine delicious chef-prepared meals delivered right to your door without you having to lift a finger. No more wrestling with complicated recipes or cleaning up a kitchen that looks like a tornado's been through it. You just heat, eat, and put your feet up. Easy as pie. Or, well, shepherd's pie. Now I know what you're thinking. All right, but is the food actually nice? Let me tell you, Silver Cuisine's got menus packed with flavor. We're talking hearty classics, lighter bites, vegetarian options, even meals for folks with special diets like diabetes or low sodium needs. You can pick your favorites and skip the ones you don't fancy. It's like having a menu at your local, but you don't have to leave the sofa. And let's talk about cost, because saving a few quid never hurt anyone. Meals start around $7 to $12 each. No contracts, no surprise fees. Order as many or as few as you want, whenever you want. There are even bundles if you're feeling indecisive. And honestly, who isn't when there's sticky toffee pudding on offer? Plus, I've got a cheeky discount waiting for you in the description below, so don't miss out. It's not just about convenience. It's about eating well, feeling good, and freeing up your time for the stuff you love. Whether you're retired and busier than ever, or just fancy a night off from the stove, Silver Cuisine's got your back. So if you're ready to try something new and tasty, click the link in the description now for your special offer. Go on, treat yourself. Your taste buds and your washing up bowl will thank you.